What are you doing? Hi. What are you two doing? I know it. You're a little more of a pill, aren't you? You're a little more of a pill. Looky here. Looky here. I know it. We gotta quit that biting. We'll get you. I know it. Hi. Hi. Oh dear. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Hey, Tilly. Hey, Tilly. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. I know it. What you think? You're silly. They're silly, aren't they, Mom? Yes, they are, and you're just totally ignoring them. Yes, I know. You're done. You're all done weaning. They don't need any more weaning, so you just don't even worry about them now, do you? No. Oh, I